All right, so if you're thinking of getting the phone stand here, this black phone stand, then this is my honest opinion, my honest review. And I've been using this. I've had this for around about 6 to 9 months now, I think. And I use this personally just to hold my phone on my desk. I think it's super useful. You can use it for other things like holding iPads, books, Kindles, little pictures or something. But what I like about this is that it's so minimalist that it fits the design of my office perfectly. And it's also really, really durable and high quality. Like if you look at the materials here, it's solid metal. It's there's no wasted space. There's no crazy brands or logos in the way. It just does what it says it's going to do, and I really like that. One thing to kind of be aware of, I suppose, is that it's not height adjustable. So some other phone stands are height adjustable, but this is kind of like a set height, and then you can just all you can adjust is the angle. You can move this, in and out for the angle of how you want it to hold the phone. But in my opinion, that's fine. And what I found is that having used other phone stands that are height adjustable, this is pretty much, for me at least, the best height. Like this is the optimal height if you're going to be using your phone while it's on the stand, while it's on your desk. So if you're looking for just a very reliable, durable phone stand that just does what it says on the tin kind of thing, then I highly recommend this phone stand.